Inspiring and Caring Award, Best in Science, Best in Filipino, Best in Language, Best in Writing, Star Runner Award, Supportive to School Advocacies, and Outstanding Pupil of the School Year 2025-2026. She is the daughter of Major Norman Ray D. Pilano, assigned at Policy Management Department of National Defense, and Captain Leia M. Pilano from Nursing Service Division BLG.